Hola, periods 2, 4, y 6. Last week, we began studying la familia y el verbo tener. I presented the new vocabulary last week, and as you can see on this screenshot, the vocabulary of la familia and el verbo tener. For Monday, lunes, 16 de noviembre 2020, we're going to continue studying la familia y el verbo tener. You are to begin working on a class assignment that we didn't have time to complete last week. So I'm giving you a head start so you come prepared to class on our next live class. This is the written portion that I'm going to explain, and then when we have our live class, we will do the speaking part of the activity. Okay? All right. So, instrucciones, instructions. Ask the question 3 times by writing them with 3 different vocabulary terms. Then you will ask your compañeros de clase, classmates, when instructed. So for this portion, you are to write this question highlighted, asking, ¿Cómo se dice blank en inglés? This question is asking, how do you say blank in English? Now, I'd like for you to fill in the blank with 3 different vocabulary terms corresponding to la familia that from the family tree down below. For example, ¿cómo se dice tía en inglés? Now, tía, I got from this person right here, who is a tía. If you don't recall what tía means, then you go and look at the vocabulary terms that I gave you earlier. So tía is aunt. Okay, so you answer the question, ¿se dice aunt en inglés? Okay, so you are asking this same question 3 times, but the 3 times the blank will be filled in with 3 different vocabulary terms from the family tree. Now you are to answer your own question by saying se dice, and then you translate that term into English. Okay, se dice aunt in inglés means you say tía in inglés is aunt. Okay, so you write the question 3 times, 3 different vocabulary terms from the family tree, and you answer your own questions 3 times. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure that you send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Then in our next live class, we are going to proceed to the second part of this activity, where you're going to be asking these questions to different compañeros de clase, classmates, when I instruct you to. Okay? All right.